You can save a lot of time by setting up your Word document in MLA format before you start writing. There are 8 things you need to set up from the start: Times New Roman 12-point font, double spacing, 1-inch margins, a running head, page numbers, heading, title, and a works cited page. We'll go through each step by step to make it easy. First, we'll set up the font formatting. Under the Home tab, click on the drop-down menu next to the font name. Newer versions of Word default to Calibri, but MLA recommends using Times New Roman. You can find it in the list. Then change the size to 12 from the drop-down menu next to the font name. To double space the document, click on the line spacing icon. This is the one with the arrows pointing up and down and lines next to the arrows. Choose 2 from the drop-down menu. Simple, right? To change the margins, click on the Page Layout tab. Then use the Margins menu to choose 1-inch margins on all 4 sides. That's 3 down, 5 to go. To set up the running head with your last name, start by clicking the Insert tab, then the Header and Footer menu. Type your last name in the rectangle on the far right side. Next to the Header and Footer menu is a Page Numbers menu. Click on it and choose the option with the number in the upper right corner. If you're using Office 365, then the running head and page numbers won't show after you set them up. To double check that they're there, click on File, then Print. A preview will appear showing the running head and page numbers. Click Cancel to return to the paper. The heading requires 4 pieces of information: your name, the professor's name, the class, and the date, formatted by day, month, year, just like your citations. Notice how the double spacing happens automatically since we set it up beforehand. All we have to do is hit Enter to go to the next line. On the line below the heading, type the title of your paper. You don't need to put it in bold, make it large, or underline it, but the title does need to be centered. To center it, highlight the title, choose the Home tab, and click on the center icon. Voila! You can start typing your paper right under the title. Just make sure to change the type orientation back to the left and hit the Tab key to indent the paragraph a 1/2 inch. Every paragraph in the paper should start with the same 1/2 inch indent. We've made it to the home stretch, the Works Cited page. On a new line, type the words Works Cited. Then center the heading by highlighting the text and hitting the center button, just like the title of the paper. Put your cursor at the front of the W and then hit Enter until you see the page break. Finally, we'll set up the format for hanging indent required for your citations. Put the cursor on the line below the Works Cited title and right-click. Then choose Paragraph. Beside the Special category, choose Hanging from the drop-down menu. Make sure there are 0 points in the After category for spacing. Then click OK. Now, whether you type the citation or cut and paste the citation in, the hanging indent will happen automatically. Don't forget to check over your citations for correct formatting. Also, don't forget your works cited entries need to be in alphabetical order. Whether your citations start with an author or a title, they should be in alphabetical order according to the first word in your citation. Already typed your paper? No sweat. There's no need to hit Enter after every line to get double spacing or tab for every line of your citations. Just select all by pressing Ctrl and the letter A together. Right-click on the highlighted area and make your changes. Then highlight the citations, right-click on the highlighted area again, and use Paragraph to create the hanging indent. Easy peasy, you're all set. This tutorial used Office 365, but you can use the same processes in other versions of Word, though the locations and names of the formatting icons may look slightly different.